Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about grill guards. Quite often we get phone calls from other dealers and customers from kind of all over the place about grill guards. And just letting you know that we do have full setup grill guards for 600 series Fendts now. So we have them for 600 series, 700 series, 700 series Gen 6 and Gen 7 tractors. On some of them, you'll use the uprights that come with, but for a lot of these newer tractors, the way that they're set up, the factory ones are at an angle, and so that angle doesn't allow us to put the grill guard on, so we actually have proper uprights built for them as well. They're powder coated, we have them in stock. Talk to the parts guys, they can get you a price on them, but we have all of that stuff. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.